Most people think an avocado is just an avocado. But what if I told you that one variety comes from a single backyard tree, another survived a deadly freeze that wiped out almost every other avocado, and one nearly disappeared forever until ancient farmers stepped in? Today, we're uncovering 12 fascinating avocado varieties, each with its own surprising history, unique flavor, and hidden secrets. By the end of this video, you'll never look at an avocado the same way again. Let's start with the world's most famous avocado, the one everyone recognizes, but very few actually know. Hass avocado. When someone pictures an avocado, they're almost certainly imagining the Hass. It dominates grocery stores across the globe, making up more than 80% of the world's avocado production. What's even more remarkable is that every Hass avocado can trace its origins back to a single tree. In 1926, a California mail carrier named Rudolph Hass planted a seedling in his backyard. The tree wasn't growing the way he expected, and he seriously considered cutting it down. Luckily, his children convinced him to leave it alone. That decision changed avocado history forever. A few years later, Rudolph patented the tree, making it the first avocado variety ever granted a U.S. patent. Since then, millions upon millions of Hass avocados have been propagated from that original tree. One of the easiest ways to recognize a ripe Hass avocado is its skin. It transforms from bright green into a deep purple-black color, giving shoppers a simple visual clue that it's ready to eat. Fuerte avocado. Long before the Hass became king, another avocado ruled the market. Its name was Fuerte. The story begins during California's devastating freeze of 1913, when unusually cold temperatures destroyed nearly every avocado orchard in the region. One variety, however, survived. Because of its incredible toughness, growers named it Fuerte, the Spanish word for strong. For decades, it became America's favorite avocado, remaining the top commercial variety from the 1920s through the 1970s. Unlike the Hass, the Fuerte has smooth green skin that stays green even after it's fully ripe. While the fruit has a rich, creamy flavor, shoppers often struggle to know when it was ready because there was no obvious color change. That small inconvenience eventually helped the Hass take over supermarket shelves, as consumers preferred an avocado that clearly showed when it had reached peak ripeness. Bacon avocado. Despite its name, the bacon avocado has absolutely nothing to do with the breakfast favorite. The variety was named after Harold Bacon, a California grower who developed it during the 1950s. Its biggest advantage isn't its taste, it's its ability to survive colder temperatures that would damage many other avocado trees. That hardiness made it especially valuable in regions where growing avocados was once considered difficult. Compared to the creamy Hass, the bacon avocado contains less oil, giving it a lighter texture and a fresher, more delicate flavor. It also has fewer calories, making it a popular option for people looking for a lighter alternative. Another reason growers appreciated this variety was its excellent shelf life. Pinkerton avocado. If getting more fruit for your money sounds appealing, the Pinkerton avocado might be the perfect choice. Created in California during the early 1970s, this variety is famous for one simple reason: a surprisingly small seed. Because the pit takes up very little space, almost the entire fruit is filled with rich, creamy flesh. That means every avocado provides more edible fruit than most other popular varieties. Pinkerton trees also begin producing earlier in the season and typically yield larger harvests. For growers, that translates into a longer harvesting season and greater productivity. Although it's rarely found in ordinary supermarkets, many avocado farmers consider Pinkerton one of the most successful varieties ever developed. Reed avocado. At first glance, a Reed avocado almost looks oversized. Some fruits grow so large they can weigh close to a full pound, yet surprisingly, the seed remains relatively small. That leaves an impressive amount of smooth, buttery flesh inside. The flavor is mild, creamy, and naturally rich, with a subtle sweetness that many avocado lovers appreciate. Another unique advantage is that once it's sliced open, the flesh tends to stay fresh-looking longer than many other varieties, making it ideal for serving in salads, sandwiches, or decorative dishes. Its harvest season also fills an important gap, arriving during the summer months when has production naturally slows down. Zutano avocado. Among all avocado varieties, the Zutano stands out immediately. Its smooth, glossy skin remains bright green even when perfectly ripe, making it look completely different from the dark, bumpy hass that most people recognize. While it may not attract as much attention in grocery stores, the Zutano plays a surprisingly important role behind the scenes. Avocado trees have an unusual flowering cycle that makes self-pollination less efficient. Because of this, many commercial orchards intentionally plant rows of Zutano trees alongside hass trees. Ettinger avocado. When people think of major avocado-producing countries, Israel usually isn't the first place that comes to mind. Yet over the years, Israel has become one of the world's leading avocado exporters, and the Edinger variety played a major role in that success. Developed during the 1950s, this avocado was specially selected to thrive in Israel's Mediterranean climate. It produces fruit early in the season and offers a smooth, mild flavor that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Its biggest commercial advantage is its impressive storage life. Unlike many avocados that ripen quickly and spoil within days, the Edinger stays at peak quality for a much longer period. That extra time makes international shipping far easier, allowing growers to export fresh fruit across Europe and many other countries. Today, many cultivation methods pioneered by Israeli researchers are used by avocado growers around the world. Lamb Hass avocado. The final variety on our list proves that even a great fruit can still be improved. Scientists at the University of California developed the Lamb Hass during the 1980s with one clear objective: to extend avocado availability beyond the traditional harvesting season. The result was a variety that closely resembles the classic Hass but ripens later in the year, giving consumers access to high-quality avocados during summer and early fall. At first glance, it's difficult to tell the difference. Like the Hass, the Lamb Hass has dark, pebbled skin and rich, buttery flesh. In blind taste tests, many people can't distinguish one from the other. However, growers appreciate another important benefit. Lamb Hass trees perform better under hot conditions and show improved resistance to several common diseases, making them increasingly valuable as weather patterns continue to change around the world. From a single backyard tree that transformed the global avocado industry to ancient wild varieties that survived only because early farmers protected them, every avocado tells a story far richer than most people realize. Each variety has its own unique flavor, history, and purpose, whether it's surviving harsh winters, producing larger harvests, improving pollination, or helping feed millions of people worldwide. So the next time you slice open an avocado, remember that you're holding the result of thousands of years of evolution, cultivation, and human ingenuity. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible avocado varieties, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating food stories, surprising history, and amazing facts from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.